Hey gang, Kevin here. But y'all know that. This is 2 in 2 weeks. I usually don't like doing product videos, but this is something that's been out of stock for a really long time at Self-Reliance Outfitters. And they're going to release some tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Friday, January the 27th at 1 o'clock. So before I get the comments in the video from tonight where you go to the website and it's not available, it won't be available until 1 o'clock tomorrow. And like I said, it's been out of stock for a really long time. The Woodsmans Wedgie. Yours won't look like this if you buy one because I beat the heck out of mine. I've had this. This was one of the very first released ones. And I have done everything with this thing. Any of you that have come to the school and seen us using these beasts, you know it will go through anything. And I'll be honest with you, I was skeptical when we first came out with these things. I was. And since I've had them, they've made a believer out of me. I keep one in the van. And anytime I'm camping, I take it with me. Anytime I'm camping in the van, I keep it with me just for splitting firewood if I've got a campfire at wherever I'm camping. It is a beast. This thing will take a licking. Now don't judge me, but I've actually used this to pound in tent stakes, and I've used it to. Any of you guys that have been to the shows, we got those big Pathfinder banners. It's got a big stainless steel spike that goes into the ground, and then the banner sits on top of that. I was bad at Smoky Mountain Knife Works and used this very one right here, to drive those stainless steel spikes into the ground. And I did suffer some denting on the back, but it was aircraft aluminum against stainless steel. And I was wailing on it because, to be honest with you, we were at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and the ground there is actually area between a parking lot and a road. So there's a lot of gravel underneath the grass. And it took some whacking to do it. And it did a little bit of damage. But it's actually not made for that. So don't do that. I did it and it worked. Worked like a champ. But I've always got the reminder. So, with that being said, tomorrow, January the 27th at 1 o'clock, Indianapolis time, these will go on sale again. I don't know how many they got. They actually weren't going to get them back in stock again for a really long time. And, but it just so happened that some things came together and they got some. So, tomorrow, 1 o'clock. Use my link in the description box. I want to try to beat at least one of the other instructors on the affiliate sales this week. I'll be perfectly honest with you. You guys did really good on the Campmaster Kephart. I was actually surprised. Now, I don't push that link very much, and I actually made more on the Campmaster Kephart on the day of its release than I've made probably last year. I mean, sales through that link. Number of sales. So, get over to Self-Reliance Outfitters. Get yourself a Woodsman's Wedgie. My wife can even use these things. They're so easy. Talk to y'all later. Bye.